In front of me is a Vodafone Smart 4 Max, and today I'll show you how to enable Google Backup. So we'll start off by actually going into the settings. So find wherever you have the settings up, and from there we'll go into Backup and Reset, and you will see at the top, backup my data. So you want to check that on, and then backup account, you want to tap on it, and then select add account, existing, and connect to Wi-Fi if you're not. Yeah, let's proceed on, and right here put in your email address. So I'm gonna actually see and tap next. Now I'm gonna put in the password, and now I went on, press next, then you get presented with Google services, so let's accept it, and now you have the Google account. So that is basically how you add account, and from here you can also tap on it and select what you want to sync to it. As you can see, I have a bunch of things enabled, and if you don't want something being synced, you can just simply check it off like so, and now it won't be synced. So it's kind of how you edit it, and it's visible, as you can see, under the accounts in a main setting page. You just want to tap on it, and it will take you to the basically all the syncing, like what it can sync. So that's basically how you enable the Google Backup. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.